Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy from Kimmy Add Sparkle and I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I thought I would share some techniques with you using our TriBlend markers. Now, the barrel on it is a hexagon so they don't roll off your table when you're using them. The other thing that I like about them and what makes them a TriBlend is the fact that they've got 3 different shades of the same colour. So this one is a light yellow blend, and here we have the light end, the medium end and the dark end. So out of one pen you get 3 different textures essentially. Now they are an alcohol based markers, so they will bleed through onto, so they're no good for thin paper. Alright, so I'm going to just get right into it and show you how to colour with them. When you do buy these, they come with instructions on how to blend, but I thought maybe I would show you that today. And I'm going to be using this stamp set here. This is in our current catalogue. It is the Party Time one, so I've actually already pre-stamped this image here. So I've got it here. Now I have stamped it using our Black Intense ink, because this one is a solvent based permanent ink, therefore when I colour it won't run. Our other ink pads are water based, so if you were to use a different colour, you know, like say a red or just a normal black, they are water based, so when you colour on them the likely is that it would bleed and you won't get a sharp crisp image once you've finished colouring it. So I do recommend using Intense Black. Okay, alright, so let's get started. I'm just going to show you quickly how to do the blending part of it. So let's just colour the bottom present in this nice dark red. So what you do is you start with the light. Then you go to the dark, and this is where you add where you want the shading to be. So for me, I'm going to put it under the lid, because to me that would be where the darkest bit is, and a little bit around the side here. So just pop a little bit on of the dark, and then you go to the medium and you go a little bit in on that as well to try and blend that in, and then you go over the whole thing again in the light. Okay, and then if you take a look at it, you can see that it has given that nice blended shaded look to it. Alright, now the other thing with this is you don't have to blend with it, you can just do a straight colour. So for the lid I'm going to do light, then dark, then light and dark, and then you'll be able to see the difference with that as well. Alright, so if you have a look here, you can see that that is the one pen, but I've got light and dark and it's given a different shade. Alright, let's do the next present, shall we? We'll do that in True Blue Blend. So we'll do that blending technique again. So we start with the light, then we go with the dark, and the medium, and then over it all again with the light. And then it gives you that blending again. Okay, so essentially that is what these markers do. I think they're great. I really do enjoy using them. They're great for, you know, giving that nice bright colour that you want on your stamps. Just remember to, you know, to stamp in the Intense Black, so that it doesn't run, because if you have a look here, I've I have coloured all the way over all of this, and it hasn't bled. My image is still quite, you know, crisp. You can see it. Okay, so yeah, the other fun thing that you can do with this is actually colour on the wooden pieces that we've been, that close to my heart, are bringing out. So here I've got a couple of wooden buttons. I just thought I would colour one in and show you. Let's colour one in. How about this nice purple over here? This is purple blend, and I might do the medium. Easy. There, look at that. Now I've gone from having the wood coloured button to a nice purple coloured button, and if you know, that could accent your page or a card. That is our TriBlend markers. If you're interested in purchasing them, they are on my website. You can buy them in a complete bundle, and that also comes with a true black and a blender pen. But also you can actually buy them all individually, which is what I'm doing. I've got the blender, I've got the black. You know, slowly building up my stash of colours because I absolutely love them. Yeah, so okay, well, thanks so much for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video.